Hello children, welcome back to our session today. Yes, so previous class we have seen unit 2, that is wit and humor is our theme. In this reading A and B we have done part 1 and part 2. Yes, right. Now let us enter today after the Dear Departed and Dear Departed part 1 part 2 we are entering into reading C, The Brave Potter. The Brave Potter, which is written by Margaret Shake. Let us see about Margaret Shake, about the author first. Yes? Yeah. It is so interesting, children. Today we will see part 1. Yes? Margaret Shake was a great storyteller. He was very much interested in telling folk and mythological stories of Asia. He travelled across many Asian countries and collected interesting short stories from various countries and published them in English. So many mythological stories he have collected from other many Asian countries, and he translated it into Telugu. Okay, and collected interesting short stories from various countries and published them into English. It is translated into English. And he translated many famous Indian folk tales into English. And the present short story was, let us see, the present short story is The Brave Potter today, which we are going to see. Okay, so it is actually a Telugu story, and it was translated into English. Okay, this is one of the best one which was collected by him from India. So it is so interesting, children. You feel so interesting while listening. So let us now enter into the lesson. Margaret Shake has chosen a very well-known Indian folk tale for retelling English. Children and adults alike are fond of folk tales, which are often amusing and sometimes instructive. So this is not only for children, even for adults also very interesting story which we have to know. Yes, shall we enter into the story, children? Yeah, come on. Now it was very dark. Okay, just you dream, it was very dark, and thick black clouds covered the evening sky. So thick black clouds covered the evening sky. The thunder roared. The road means it was thunder when before rain comes, how the sounds were heard. Even when rain is falling, you hear the thunder sounds. Okay, and the strong wind shook the branches. So there was rain. There was, before rain, how the climatic condition will be. Okay, dark clouds. Okay, wind. Okay, thunder sounds. Okay, after the rain, how the situation will be. While raining, heavy wind will be blowing and it will shaking the branches and all. So just think about that. Now the rain have started, pit pat, drop by drop. Okay, fell down. Then the lightning flashed, lightning also splashed thunder and split the black sky with its blinding light, bright light. Okay, soon it was raining heavily. So before it rained, how the climate will be condition? So it will become dark, shining, lightning and all, thunder sounds, wind, all these will be there. After that, continuously rain will start. So how beautifully the author have explained the situation, you can just dream about it. Yes. So now what happened? So that is the situation, and it was dark, and that is too, it is in the evening time. Okay. Then in that jungle, in that forest, who is traveling now? Who came there? A tiger was there in that jungle, an old tiger. It is also old. And it ran through the rain looking for shelter. Actually, that tiger is looking for some shelter. It want to stay somewhere. It want to sleep somewhere that night. Where it will go? It can't reach to even its home also. So it is so far. And how can it be? Okay, so it is searching for some shelter there in the jungle. He was wet and cold, and his already rain have started. The tiger became wet, and it was also old, and it is found, it cannot go to its cave. Okay, it is so far. So the situation was really terrible for that tiger. While hurrying to his shelter, he saw an old hut. So actually it was it want to go to its cave, but before that only it have seen one hut, a small hut it saw, and it went there. With a sigh of relief. Sigh of relief means, thanks God, I have finally got a house, so I can go and take rest for some time until that rain stops, he thought. So with a sigh of relief, the tiger crawled under the thatched roof. Crawled means it moved slowly forward with its legs under the thatched roof. Thatched means what? It is covered with a dry straw and all. Okay, yes. And lay down by the door. So door is there near. By the door only, it started to take rest. It started to sit there. Except for the sound of the rain, all was quiet. Only that rain sound only it can hear. Rest all was very quiet and calm. Before he could nod off. Nod off means before it could almost go into sleep. Okay. What happened? However, he heard something heavy being dragged inside the hut. This was followed by the voice of a woman. Suddenly it heard some sound there. What was that sound? Okay. Then it started to hear that sound. Oh, how terrible this leak is, she complained. How terrible. I would rather meet a tiger in the forest than have this leak in my house. So he thought that how terrible that lady who is there in that hut, she started to say in a grief voice, oh, how terrible this. When usually in thatched roofs and all, usually when there is heavy rain, they will water all will fall in that hut and all, and it will be so problematic, right? So that condition, that situation was faced by that woman, and woman started to say, instead of this terrible leak, okay, because water full inside the hut, so it was so terrible for that lady. And she told that instead of this leak, I would have better met the tiger in the forest. So like that she told. That time this tiger heard and thought, oh, terrible leak. Maybe it is a bigger animal than me. I thought I am only the king of this forest. But greater than me, one more is there, that is leak. Oh, leak might be so dangerous than me. That's why that woman told better to meet the tiger than to bear with this leak. Okay, then tiger's mind, what is a leak word it have heard, and that it kept in mind that leak is a kind of animal which is more powerful than this tiger. So that was thought by the tiger, and slowly afterwards the tiger fell into deep sleep. Okay, then what happened? A leak, the tiger thought. What is a leak? It must be very dangerous and strong, or the woman would not be more frightened of the leak than me. Am I not rightly called the king of the forest? So it got doubt on itself only. Am I not right, a king or what? More than greater person, powerful person, a powerful animal is there than me. That's why the woman is so frightened for this leak, it thought. Aren't they all afraid of me? Aren't these people are afraid of me? It is doubting itself. I wonder what a leak look like. So the tiger thought, I don't know how the leak would have seen the appearance. Okay. So it thought in its mind. So soon afterwards the tiger fell asleep. So afterwards thinking and thinking, it fell into deep sleep. It has slept. He saw suddenly awakened by an angry voice shouting in his ear. He felt a heavy blows fall upon his head and shoulders. So after it went into his deep sleep, somebody came on back of it and started to beat and scold. Okay, it can hear. Okay, all these. You terrible beast, because that leak, okay, is sitting on the back of the tiger, and it started to say, you terrible, you dangerous, okay, a beast. A voice screamed angrily. That voice it can hear from back of it. How dare you run away? So that voice is saying like this. How dare you run away? How dare you make me walk about in the middle of the night trying to find you? How dare you made me to walk all through the jungle and to find out you? So in this way the leak started to scold. Be careful. One of these days I will kill you. Now go home. Be careful. Otherwise I will kill you in these days. It have warned the tiger. The old tiger shivered. Old tiger was really very frightened, shivered. This must be a leak who has come out of the hut. I would better do as he says or he will kill me. So the old tiger thought, oh, maybe this is only the leak which is sitting on back of me. Better I listen to him. Otherwise, maybe that leak will kill me. Okay. So it started to follow what the leak is guiding from backside. So the tiger allowed himself to be bound around the neck with a thick rope. So with a thick rope he tied its head, and it have also bent. Okay, and it was tied. The mysterious creature then climbed onto the tiger's back and pulled at the rope. That mysterious, that leak have climbed on the back of the tiger and it started to pull the rope. Come on, head for home. Now let's move to home, shouted the voice. The tiger felt a sharp kick on his back. He was kicking, okay, from back. You can see in the picture. So like that, okay. Yes. The tiger felt a sharp kick on his side. The tiger was terrified and he ran through the dark forest. The creature pulled hard on the rope to tell him which way to go. So he was pulling that rope to the way he is showing how to move and which side to go. At the same time, it scolded, cursed and kicked the poor tiger. At the same time, angrily the leak was scolding, okay, and he cursed, okay. Cursed means what? Shapam, okay, why you stupid, like that he scolded, and he kicked with his leg. So all this he were doing, but tiger did not say anything to him. Soon they stopped in front of a small hut on the edge of the thick forest. The creature climbed down from the tiger's back and bound him with an iron chain to a nearby tree. Finally, they reached from jungle to, they went to one hut, okay, that is Leek's hut he went, and there he tied with a rope the tiger to a tree with a chain. With chain he tied and he went inside the hut, and that tiger stayed there all through the night. The creature climbed down from the tiger's back and bound him with an iron chain to a nearby tree. In front of that hut there was a tree and he tied with a chain the tiger. Then he went inside the hut. Then this Leek, it went inside the hut. The tiger could not free himself from the chain. The tiger, it could not free him because the chain was tied so tightly. So he had to spend a miserable night under the tree. A miserable night it have spent throughout the night. Okay. Who was this creature? Who was able to capture such a large and dangerous tiger? Let's find out. So that time this creature thought that who is this have sat on back of me, such a dangerous tiger. So this tiger was really confused, who is this creature who sat on me. Okay. So now this is part 1, children. Let us you have your duty is to find out who is this creature who is sitting back of that tiger, who is this Leek and what was that leak. Okay, find it, and I will be back in the next part 2 session.